Hello, everyone. Let's dive into an exciting feature of Instagram, creating your own AI character. Whether you're looking to personalize your social media experience or experiment with AI, Instagram makes it incredibly easy. Let's get started. Getting started. 1. Open Instagram and navigate to the AI Studio. This is where all the magic happens. 2. Tap the option to Create AI Character. This will open the customization panel, where you can bring your unique AI vision to life. Personalizing your AI character. Name and appearance. Start by choosing a name for your character. Whether it's quirky or professional, make it yours. Set a profile picture for your AI character. You can upload an image or choose one from the library. Defining personality. Instagram allows you to set the character's tone. Want an AI that's funny, motivational, or professional? Just select the appropriate style. You can also define specific traits, like being great at recommending food recipes or offering daily affirmations. Adding a purpose. What's the main role of your AI character? Select or customize its purpose, like being a conversationalist, providing advice, or creating content for your audience. Customizing responses. Use the template section to set how your AI responds to certain topics. For example, for general queries, "Hi, how can I assist you today?" For compliments, "Thank you, you're amazing too." Add custom tags or keywords for specific interactions, making the character feel more personal. Finalizing your AI character. Once you're done setting up, tap Save to finalize. Your character will now appear in the AI Studio, ready to interact. Using your AI character. Share your AI with friends or use it in your DMs for automated yet personalized replies. Your character can also generate captions, post ideas, and more to enhance your social media presence. That's it. Creating an AI character on Instagram is not just easy, it's a fun way to add a personal touch to your online interactions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Let me know in the comments how your AI character turned out.